Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. It's August and it's hot, but I still want to sit on my front porch in my favorite chair. This makes that possible. This evaporative cooler is something I didn't know I needed until I got it, and now I don't want to spend the summer without it. It's got a lot of cool features and I want to show you all of them. So first of all, I like that it's light. You need to bring it in when it rains outside, but that is not a hassle at all because it's so lightweight I can bring it in and out all by myself, and it's not a big deal. Let me tell you a little bit of how it works. The air comes in through the side panels and then it is cooled off and it blows it back out at you. So you can set it in 3 different settings. You can have just a natural fan, or you can cool the water down, or it comes with these ice packs and that gives you like an air conditioned cool blowing at you. So what's neat is you can fill this with up to 8 gallons of water, or it also has a hose hookup on the back and you can just have it continuously running. So that is a perfect feature if you're having a party or some friends over and you don't want to have to worry about refilling it. Let me tell you a little about these controls here. It has lots of different settings. It's 3 different speeds. You can turn the cooling on or off, and you can also turn the oscillators on and off if you want it to blow straight at you, or if you've got company on your porch and you want to get everybody, it can oscillate. I love the remote. I can sit in my favorite chair and the remote reaches and I can control everything from that spot. It has these great casters on the bottom, which makes it very easy to move around, and if you're on an uneven ground you can lock it into place. So this portable AC unit is everything that I want it to be. It keeps me cool on hot summer days and I can relax for hours on my porch. But that's just my point of view.